Join me as I check in here sa aking hotel sa Namba, Osaka. The name of the hotel is called Midosuji Hotel. Ayan, lapit lang siya sobra sa Namba Station. Siguro mga 5 minutes na lakad lang to. Sobrang lapit lang niya. So may dalawang maliit na iskinita lang na daraanan. Ito na, papasok na tayo sa hotel. I've been staying here siguro 3 or 4 times na.
Hello. Hi, I have a reservation. Yeah, hold on.
Of course, standard practice, bigay mo yung passport mo so that they can validate your reservation and get you checked in. Photocopy nila yung passport mo at ibabalik nila yan sa'yo. I made the reservation via Agoda and I specifically selected the one that offered the free cancellation. Siguro I had my credit card charged by Agoda mga 2 days before the actual check-in date. And then I paid over the counter 250 yen per night na local taxes. It's pretty common all over Japan, anywhere between 200 to 250 yen per night. And then you just have to get the amenities kit over here at the lobby. Ikaw na bahala from coffee, tea, sugar, milk, mga chopsticks, kung ano man, bahala ka na. There's no specific limit naman, but of course, you know, you just kind of get whatever you need for the day and then come back na lang if kulang. For the most part, they would allow you naman to leave your luggage muna if you arrive early tapos hindi pa time for check-in. Check-in time is standard 3 p.m. Pero I think I was able to check in mga 2:30. Parang available na yung room ko. May vendo sa baba at saka may microwave. So kung gusto mag-init ng food mo, bahala ka na, pwede dyan. Ayan, akit na tayo sa room. Sa 4th floor ako. Ayan, wala namang code yung elevator whatsoever. Apart from the keycard, bibigyan din kayo ng printed set of instructions and reminders. Ayan, may English naman yon. So, hindi kayo malilito sa mga bagay-bagay. Nandyan din sa printout na yan yung details at saka timings and instructions. Kung gusto mo mag-sauna sa taas, may hot pool doon, yan pwede. Ayan, pasok na tayo sa room. So, ito na nga. Hindi naman kalakihan yung room. Standard Japanese hotel size yan. It's not super fancy. By the way, kaka-renovate lang nila not so long ago kasi medyo makinis pa yung mga walls and all compared doon sa last time na nagpunta ako dito. So, yan. Set mo na yung aircon. Yung aircon nga pala ay in Japanese yung mga butones doon. So, kailangan mo na lang ng Google Translate kung gusto mong i-adjust yung mga ibang mga buttons. So, lapag muna natin yung gamit natin.
Yeah. We're gonna get settled in. We're right on schedule. 30 minutes ahead of my projected schedule kasi hindi ako nag-lunch. Pero room tour muna tayo ng very, very light. Keycard. Bagong keycard nila. Parang nag-renovate naman sila ng room. Or nag-clean up. As usual, Japan banyo. Very maliit. Oo, mas makinis na yung room na nila ngayon. Yan, may tub na maliit, shower. Tapos, syempre, ang favorite natin, ang bidet. Syempre, may mga warmer pa yun. Kaya favorite ko sa Japan eh. Tsaka sa Seoul, actually. So, may salamin. Ayan. Tapos, pwedeng dalawa dito sa room. Ito may pa-alarm pa ito, tsaka may pa-radyo. Pwede ko ginagamit. Maliit na ref doon. Yan. Kasya na. May blower. May kettle. Just free wifi. Okay.